In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Ads with Shopify. By the end, your store and your ad account will be talking to each other so you can track performance more accurately and unlock features that make campaigns smarter. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Google Ads account in your browser and that you have the right permissions on both Google Ads and your Shopify store. Keeping everything open in one browser session helps avoid authorization hiccups. Begin by opening Google Ads. Once you're in, look toward the top navigation and find the Tools and Settings menu, the one with the wrench icon. Open that menu to access the administrative areas of your account. From there, head into Data Manager. This is where Google centralizes connections to your e-commerce platforms and other data sources, so it's the right place to link Shopify. Inside a Data Manager, locate the option for Shopify. Selecting Shopify tells Google Ads exactly which platform you want to connect, and it prepares the account to receive product and conversion data directly from your store. You'll see connection methods. Choose Direct Connection. This method is streamlined, secure, and maintained by Google and Shopify, which means fewer moving parts and better reliability over time. After choosing Direct Connection, click Authorize. This is the important part where you grant permission for Google Ads to access your Shopify data. A new window may prompt you to confirm which Google account you're using and to allow the necessary scopes. If your browser blocks pop-ups, temporarily allow them so the authorization window can appear. You may also be asked to confirm the Shopify store you want to link. Make sure it's the correct store if you manage multiple shops. When you click Authorize, you're giving Google Ads permission to sync the data it needs for features like conversion tracking, audience creation, and product performance insights. That authorization ensures your campaigns can optimize based on what actually happens in your store, not just clicks. If you're prompted with terms or a summary of permissions, review them and proceed to complete the connection. Once authorization is done, the connection is established. Data doesn't usually populate instantly, so give it some time to sync. If something seems off, double check that you're logged into the right accounts and that you have admin access on both sides. After this, you're ready to build and optimize campaigns with stronger signals from your Shopify store. That's it. Your Google Ads account is now connected to Shopify through a direct, authorized link.